So basically, the thing is, people have a tendency to do, you know, not people really per se, but what happens is you take one thing and it goes in a particular direction. So it especially happens with humor. So what happens is either you have to be absolutely intelligent, and you have to be doing political satire or
Pity.
quoting, extremely sharp, or you have to be extremely slapstick, Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, that direction, right?
Right.
Or you have to be, I don't know, you get my point, right?
Right. Right.
Extremely, well researched that. So what I feel is that you can talk about those bigger things, bigger issues, bigger, aspects. Like you can talk about, क्या था वो? What was the phrase you just said?
Competence without comprehension.
So you
Huh.
can talk about competence without comprehension, but you do it maybe using a character like Ichhadari Tatti. So point is that you are saying a big thing, but it's necessarily not saying it's not said in a way that, it's, so you can do ghatiya kuda humor also, which
Right.
looks very ghatiya from the appearance. So
Right.
it's basically it's pretending to be stupid, more
Right.
or less.
Right. So here is something interesting. Tell me if this makes sense. Okay. You've spoken to me on a call that was going on no internet platform, and I think that call was way funnier and way more casual and all of that than this is, right? This I have to sort of ascribe to one part of my personality. Prakhar has to sit down, be like, okay, Prakhar is this very, like he knows how to speak his words and all of that. Then there is a part of me that's absolutely ghatiya and disgusting. That's absurd. जो गालियां बकना चाहता है, ठीक है, जो मतलब, so I have two very distinct parts of me. One that's very socially responsible, who knows how to handle himself socially, crack the right joke at the right time, and one that's absurd, that is only revealed to people in private settings at private moments, right? And the funny part is, most of my opinions come from this absurd part. They need to be corrected once this absurd little child in my head is like, Modi ne aisa kyun kiya, right? Like it's like this instinctive reaction, and then you get into this, what sense is this making? And I found humor to do exactly, at least your humor, when you have the reference of, say, pedophilia with so much stuttering, and then suddenly he says pedophilia. It's like an absurdist view of a massive problem. Right? As like we just casually ignore, and you cannot, it's not the kind of humor that's made you like, you were like, what the hell just happened? So I think, and this is my guess, it's like the absurdist part making very socially responsible humor. Is that, and not responsible in the sense social justicey, responsible in the sense that socially communicated. It just gets across to people well. Do you think that's true? Is it like an absurdist part of you that's playing with humor there?
Exactly. हाँ, मेरे को लगता है that's more or less the definition which I would agree with.
Right.
That absurd होगा and अजीबोगरीब बातें हो रही है, but point के बारे में भी हो रही है.
Right.
तो वो point है कुछ, पर वो उसको over the top नहीं किया, उसको मतलब उस point ने take over नहीं कर लिया हर चीज. और ना ही you're looking down on someone.
Right. Right.
Actually, you mentioned Aapki Poojita, and a very important big part of half the part of Aapki Poojita is also Adhiraj Singh. Adhiraj is my co-writer on Aapki Poojita, and he is basically, he's literally created Aapki Poojita with me. So he's half the part of what goes into Aapki Poojita.
Shout out, Adhiraj. You have no idea. I think you guys are looking into the future when you made something like that. I'm not kidding. It may go underappreciated for another 4 or 5 years, but my man, that is some viral stuff. Like, I have no qualms.